moral character developed through interaction and sa feelings and behaviors po. So, for example of like moral character developed is the honesty, empathy, and being and then responsibility.
Thank you, Mr. Freno. So that is correct. So now, let's proceed to our proper discussion. Everyone, please read our learning objectives.
At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to
Explain moral character according to our traditions, including our readings. Then, E, and Z. Value and warn us of practicing virtues in everyday life and demonstrate moral decision making by applying the golden mean Okay, so we have here moral character. So when we say a moral character, it refers to the person's consistent disposition of choosing to do what is right and avoiding what is wrong. Dito, it does not just simply follow rules, but it is also about choosing to do or becoming a good person through consistent practice of good habits like honesty, fairness, and responsibility. So always remember that when a person has a good character, he or she acts appropriately and properly even when no one is watching. Kasi nga, yung pagiging mabuting tao has already been part of one's character. So we have here an example. So everyone, please read. A student returns a lost cell phone even if no one sees them pick it up. A person administers the same instead of blaming others. Okay, so these are the examples of the moral character. So makikita din naman na it emphasizes how a person should act in a good way or choosing the right way instead of just simply following those rules. So now we have here morals. Who wants to read? Yes, Miss Akoba.
Moral concerned with the principle of right and wrong behavior are the goodness and kindness of human power.
Okay, thank you. So when we say moral naman, this is the principle of standards of what is right and wrong behavior. So it focuses whether an action is good ba or bad or right and wrong. So who can give me an example of moral? How can we show moral to our environment or to other people? Yes, Ms. Zoraida? About the society, Okay, very good. So that is correct. So we have here another example. So cheating in an exam is immoral because it violates the principle of honesty. So immoral naman, ito yung standard or principle natin kung ano yung tama. So tama ba ang mag-cheat? So anong gawin para hindi mag-cheat? Good. So now we have character. Who wants to read? Yes, Mr. Paz? Okay, so when we say character naman, it refers to the mental and moral qualities that make a person who they are. So for example, yung isang bata, nature niya na yung pagiging mabuti. So kahit saan mo sa dalit na situation, he or she will just simply show goodness kasi it is already become a natural part of their character. So who can define in short term what is character? Yes, Miss Ardanza?
Character is who we really are or describing what we are. So example is what respectful yung tao is.
Okay, so thank you, Miss Ardanza. That is correct. So we have here another example. So a student who is always responsible and respectful is viewed as someone who has good character. Di ba ganun naman? Kapag respectful and responsible ang isang bata, he or she is viewed as someone who has good character. While it is ano lang naman, views. So pwedeng perspective lang siya ng iba, whether tama or so we have here moral character. Yes, Miss Arcalia?
Refers to existence or lack of virtue such as integrity, courage, fortitude, honesty, and loyalty.
Okay, so moral character, ito na yung minention ni Mr. Freno kanina, which is having integrity, courage, fortitude, honesty, and loyalty. So paano nyo naman may ipapakita yung courage na moral character sa pagiging student? So paano nyo may ipapakita ng yung isang
with them and
Okay, so thank you. So, Miss Diwata, you have I think we can show compassion through kindness and support. Halimbawa, may kaibigan tayong may problema. So, imbes na i-judge natin siya, damayan natin siya. Okay, so thank you. That is correct. So, gaya kayo sa example ni Miss Diwata, helping a classmate is beautifully comforting a friend who is sad. So, by doing this or by practicing this, you can also develop the gen or the heart of having compassion. So next, we have the E. Miss Saraya, please read.
The heart of righteousness. It means righteousness and respect of your duties, respecting your position as guardian towards nature and man.
Okay, so thank you. So, in here, it means righteousness or doing what is morally right. So dito, ang E daw is the inner sense of justice in your heart na you have to choose to do what is right even if it is inconvenient or mahirap piliin yung paggawa ng tama. So we have here an example. Who wants to read? Yes, Miss Monica.
Refusing to cheat in an online field, even when others are cheating. Standing up for someone who is
Okay, so I think Miss Fernandez has an example of the year.
right next morning example is, diba, kailangan mo ng pera and may napulot ka na wallet. Hindi mo alam kung ano gagawin mo, ibigay mo na lang yung pera kasi kailangan mo.
Okay, so what will you do? Kasi sige, it focuses on the heart of righteousness. Ibalik mo ba or kunin mo?
Ano kasi, because of heart of righteousness, ibalik mo na lang yung kahit kailangan mo.
Okay, so that is the meaning of it. Thank you, Miss Fernandez. So now let's proceed to the lead, the heart of preparing. Who wants to read? Miss Libreta?
The heart of preparing. We deals with our warranty for such not to prevent
Okay, so thank you. So pag sinabi naman natin lead, it means the proper behavior, respect, or observing social rules. So it tells us to practice behavior such as etiquette, customs, and rituals. So dito it focuses more on respect or proper behavior. So we have here an example. So everyone please read. Okay, so ang example lang din naman is ito yung being able to act properly in different situations. So, di ba kanina pag sinabing etiquette, anong ibig sabihin ng etiquette? Proper behavior or pagsunod sa tama. So, for example, yung etiquette mo, if you are having kumakain kayo sa labas, sa restaurant. So, kapag yung mga kasama niyong tao, medyo high class, so dapat ba na pag nagkakain or nagkakuya maingay or matanggal? Tama ba yun? Proper ba siya or not? Okay, so he is all about having proper behavior. So next we have the Z. Who wants to read? Yes, Miss Legal.
Z, the heart of wisdom. Z means wisdom, and this wisdom is product of practicing Gen, Li, and Yi in one's life.
Okay, thank you. So when we say Z naman, it focuses on wisdom or choosing good judgment or wise decision. So it is the ability of a person to understand a situation and identify whether it is right or wrong and make wise decisions. So it emphasizes in Z that without Z daw or yung wisdom, you cannot perform those three na naunang nabanggit na for beginning. So without wisdom, you can execute or apply the compassion, righteousness, and propriety, which yung mga nauna kanina. So now we have here an example. So who wants to read the first? Yes, Miss Indaila.
Thinking carefully before reacting when angry.
Okay, next. Yes, Miss Pala.
Choosing the right way and facing a moral dilemma.
Okay, thank you. So now let's proceed to Aristotle and virtue ethics. Who wants to read? Yes, Miss Dolo. Isang ulit na. Virtue ethics is an approach that reduces the emphasis on rules, consequences, and particular acts. Instead, virtue ethics focus on the quality of the person. Okay, so the second bullet, thank you, Miss Dolo. Yes, Mr. Walo.
all
natin dito na hindi naman siya hindi na gina-value yung consequence, but it is more focused on whether good ba yung tao as a whole or hindi. So, we have here an example. Wants to read? Yes, Ms. Obwakan?
A person practices patience every day until saying comes to natural.
Okay, thank you. Second, yes, Ms. Barneso?
Students love this
Okay, thank you. So now let's proceed to the next. What does it mean to be virtue? So virtue for Greek is equivalent for excellent. Okay, so the principle of being virtuous is called doctrine. Okay, so when we say doctrine of the golden mean, it is the middle between two extremes which are the excess and deficiency. Pag sinabi natin excess, it means too much of something, or sa Tagalog, sobra. Very good. So when we say deficiency, too little of something, or sa Tagalog, kulang. Very good. So dito naman, Aristotle explained that the extreme or yung excess and the deficiency is wrong. So either something is too much or little, hindi daw siya tama, or it is considered as wrong. So the right action depends on the situation, and it requires practical wisdom para mahanap mo yung right response sa isang situation. So we have here an example. So who wants to read? Yes, Lito. Okay, so next, Miss Mantao.
Temperance is the balance between overreacting and serving.
Okay, thank you. So sa courage, siya yung balance between forward and being reckless. So pag sinabi natin being forward, too little of bravery or too little of bravery, yung brave niya is maliit, and when being reckless is nasa excess because it is having too much bravery. So now, we have here what does it mean to be a virtuous man. Everyone, please read. Man wants to do what is good and does it because he or she derives pleasure from choosing and doing what is moral. Okay, thank you. So, I have a question here. Why do we have to be virtuous? Bakit daw? Why do we have to practice having a constant virtue ethics or as habits? Who have any ideas there? Yes, Miss Yvonne, I think you have some ideas there. Can you share it to the class?
So we have to be virtuous in a way that we are able to gain wisdom in what you have said kanina, yung apat na dapat, maka-learn tayo if na-possess or nagawa natin yung tatlo, and maka-earn tayo ng wisdom.
Okay, thank you. So that is correct. So the reason according to virtue ethics is yung demonyo yung sinabi ni Miss Tualang. So everyone please read. Greek word that means happiness, well-being, or good life. Okay, so it is the Greek word of happiness that means happiness, well-being, or good life. So according to Aristotle, it is the ultimate goal of human life, and it is to have
choices, honesty, and integrity even if it is difficult, leading to long-term peace of mind.
Okay, thank you. So, for summary, moral character is about having good habits and consistently choosing